Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I have a room tour video for you. This is one of my current favorite backpacks that I was gifted a while back, and it is a great match with the summer hat that belonged to my sister. This is where I usually film my videos, and I like to keep it empty most of the time. I actually painted this table myself, and it has some yellow flowers on it. On my wall I have a cute print of cactuses. This is an adorable mug that I got off Zara, but unfortunately I broke it, so now it serves me as a pencil holder. And right next to it I keep a jar of gratitude, that's what I call it. So every now and then I write some notes down and place them in the jar to express my gratitude. I have a common daisy planted, but it hasn't bloomed yet, unfortunately. However, it looks really healthy and I'm really excited. Alongside I have my cactuses that did bloom and they look so cute. And this side of my room I hanged a face mask with some fake flowers. Here I have a Sandman comic book that I framed, and this is my vanity. This is where I keep all of my makeup and cosmetics. I keep my eyeshadow palettes in display as I really love the packaging. In this heart-shaped box I keep my bobby pins and hair ties. And in this drawer I keep the rest of my makeup and brushes. This is a vintage box, I'd say from the 80s, and I keep my most worn jewelry. Here's where I keep my shoes on display. I love buying shoes, so whenever I have my shoes on display I just tend to not want to buy more, if that makes any sense. And on the other side of the room I have my desk. I keep this sequin teddy bear on my chair because it's actually very comfortable and is very cute as well. And on my desk I have a pink baby head pencil holder that I got off Tiger, and I have a little cloud tape dispenser right next to it. On the shelf above I have some candles and my crystals. I also have a vintage porcelain flower basket that I absolutely love. Above it I keep my video game and cartoon related stuff. I have a collection of PC games and also a few comic books. This is a doll that I used to love as a child. And I have some pop figures as well, and this Banania cat figure that has a little compact mirror and puts on makeup. It's just so cute. And I also have a Hitman figure and 3 Assassin's Creed figures. One of them serves me as a book holder, which is great. This is supposedly a shelf, but it is actually a 2 set of drawers set on top of each other. And it's still looking a bit messy, but I'm actually working on it, so it will look nice eventually. On the top I have a large vintage looking box where I keep most of my craft supplies. And that's a little bottle of red ink. I have my little mushroom decor and some crystals and a fake succulent. I also have some more artificial plants on the top shelf. This is like a mood board for wishes that you may have, and I always keep it on display because that's what it's meant for. And it's actually a really fun project, and I would urge anyone to do something like that because it is fun. And this is a thrifted clown that I got. It looks kind of scary, but not gonna lie, I really like the colors of it. And I also keep some essential oils and herbs on the shelf. This is a mushroom print that I got off AliExpress. On the top shelf I have some vintage teddy bears and dolls. One of them is a porcelain doll, the other one is a plastic doll, but I'm pretty sure it's really old. And on my bed I have some plushies, and I also have some alpacas, but I keep them hidden for now because I don't have any space for that. So that is all I have for you. I hope you enjoyed this little tour, and I'll see you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye!